going on, guys? Logan here for a new video, and today I'll be talking about what made me kind of even want to start YouTube and why I continue to do it. I was talking to a friend today and she said, just straight up, what made me want to start YouTube? And that kind of made me start thinking, why did I originally start YouTube? Because I've been doing YouTube videos for about 3 years now, and I mean, several big things have happened, from Harvey to somebody rear-ending me to me moving just from city to city. Thinking back, it's just simply my love for cars. I love everything to do with cars. It's not just Mustangs or anything to do with Ford. I mean, if you have a cool car, I am a big fan of it. And it's kind of funny because I contemplated YouTube, I'd say, for about 2 years, and after time, as I was watching Street Beat 717 and Guitarmageddon ZL1, all the big name YouTubers out there, from watching them do all their videos, YouTube really isn't as intimidating as I used to think it was. Just looking at different people's YouTube videos, all I could imagine was, how expensive the camera equipment would be. I don't know how to edit videos. At the time, I didn't even have a computer to edit videos, so that's why it took me so long, 2 years contemplating me starting YouTube. But once I pulled the trigger, it was eye-opening. How easy it is, how fun it is, and how you can get so much support from your subscribers. Like, after Harvey, I can't believe the kind of support that I got. From people wanting to come over here and help me tear down all the drywall and everything from my house, which is, some of y'all actually asked me, why am I in this unfinished building? It's because my house flooded 10 feet during Harvey, and actually that little piece right there, I was putting up some drywall and I just, tore off a little bit. That's why, there's screws all on the wall, and that's why my house is unfinished. This is my room. I've been focusing on different parts of my house. My room's kind of like the last little bit I'm going to be doing. But Harvey was really eye-opening to how awesome my subscribers are, and I truly feel, I know that every YouTuber says this, but I really feel like I have the best subscribers, and I pay attention to everyone who comments on my videos, who reaches out to me. I mean, I still have all those messages from the first subscribers that ever reached out to me on Instagram, and it's kind of cool, as time's been going on, just keeping in contact with people. I've met a lot of cool people from like RP Productions. Met him at a few events. Joe, he has a Camaro. I posted him on my Instagram a few weeks ago, but he came out here to Conroe. He lives in the area, but I talked to him for like 2 or 3 hours just randomly about car stuff. But I never would have met several people if it wasn't for YouTube. I never really expected to meet, almost like a mentor from YouTube, like Mr. Todd with the Dodge Demons. I hold him in high regard. He's given me a ton of good information as far as what I need to do in life, because he's obviously successful. He's busted his butt, working his entire life. Started out as an airplane mechanic. He worked his way up, and eventually he became the owner of an aircraft company. And with him, actually, he reached out to me a few weeks ago, and which is another reason why you need to follow my Instagram. I'm going to be doing a review of a Aston Martin Vantage, so that's going to be an awesome, awesome review. I am looking forward to going over there and driving the car, seeing everything about it. I've never been in an Aston Martin. Actually, I haven't even been in that kind of category of car. Well, minus the Ferrari and the Dodge Demon. But the Aston Martin, that's just a completely different category in my eyes. I never would have met James from Online Car Show. With James, I would say that me and him are really good buddies. He has, several YouTube videos with me. I've raced him at the track, and me and him are in constant communication. So I've met some real friends from YouTube. Some more really loyal subscribers is like Kyle, Sean, Ray Godman. He's actually the guitarist. I believe he's playing the guitar. And some of the songs I put, actually, I'm probably going to put that right here. But he's awesome, very, very awesome subscribers. I really feel like I have the best out there. And that's the answer to the second part of my question, why do I continue YouTube? Because, I'm not big by any means. I have right at 1,900 subscribers. I have right at 700,000 views. I'm not making a living off of YouTube. I'm making, about that much money. It's not paying my bills or anything. I have a full-time job at GNC. I'm actually a manager, but really, y'all, keep me going on YouTube. And if you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, just reach out to me. I can definitely help. There is so much information that I wish I would have knew when I originally started YouTube, from upload dates to when not to upload, the kind of content people like, what kind of content to avoid. Because hey, I have like 200, right at, I believe, like 200 videos. So I have plenty of content that has failed. I have content that's been awesome. And that's kind of the way I'm trying to shape my YouTube, is to be helpful and make content that y'all want to see. And if there's any kind of content that y'all want to see, or if there's anything that I can change in my videos, just let me know, and I'll kind of make those adjustments if they would help me out. But the biggest tip I can give you if you really do want to start a YouTube is just be yourself. Don't be fake, and don't put this fake person on YouTube and you be a completely different person in person. Because I met several YouTubers who were just stark differences between the person they put on YouTube and the person you meet in person. So just be yourself. And your YouTube doesn't have to be about cars. Me, I am just obsessed with cars. In high school, I had my V6 Mustang with all the modifications to it. I was known as that Mustang kid. All I ever talked about was Mustangs. I was part of that group of kids that would always park together all the Mustangs, all the little imports, and all the other things like that. It's just, I like cars, and that's what my YouTube channel is based on, obviously. So if there's a different category that you want to start a YouTube in, you can do it. As long as you enjoy what you're doing and you're knowledgeable on that topic, go ahead and do it. There are people out there that will subscribe to you and that will support you, like me. Heck, I never thought that I would actually make it to 1,900 subscribers and 700,000 views. Initially starting out, I knew that one day I will get that number. But I just never thought it would be, less than 3 years. So I'm happy with my results. And like I said, if y'all have any kind of questions about YouTube, just reach out to me. And definitely follow my Instagram, because Instagram typically sees it first as far as if I'm doing any kind of work on my car, or if I'm at a car show, or if you want to reach out to me, that's the best way to reach out to me. My Instagram is BubbaBlue843, and 843, that comes from the area code back there in South Carolina. I'm actually originally from Charleston, but that's where the 843 comes from. So to put it short, why did I start YouTube? Why am I putting myself out there for a ton of negative criticism? Because I've definitely gotten it. Simply put, I have a burning passion for cars. I definitely love Mustangs, but any kind of cool car, I'm definitely for. But guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.